Honorable presence of respected Rajesh sir and all my dear brothers and sisters of grade 12 class. First of all, a very good morning to all of you. My name is Mandeep and today I am standing here in front of you to mastering the concept, and today we are going to discuss a very special topic which is related to our current affairs. It is of security concerns of India. At first, we will clear the right definition of security. If we talk about the political point of view, then the right definition of security will be freedom from threats. And if we talk about the point of view of in the defense, then the right definition of security will be disputeless borders. And if we elaborate security in two parts, then its first notion will be of traditional, and in next non-traditional. Traditional security is about attack by another country. And if we talk about notion of non-traditional security, then the issues like terrorism, economic depression, cyber attacks, and in last, internal disputes. These all come under non-traditional notion of security. And then we will talk about in brief about traditional security. What is traditional security? If we have to elaborate the notion of security of traditional, then as we have discussed, traditional security comes like attack by another country. Let's talk about non-traditional point of view in the context of India. Then at first, war. We can take an example of war of 1947, war of 1965, war of 1971, and in last, war of 1999 respectively. If we talk about the major reason behind the war of 1947, then it was division of India and Pakistan. And if we talk about the major reason behind the war of 1965, then the war of 1962 with China was the major reason. And if we talk about the war of 1971, then the major reason behind the war of 1971 was the division of Bangladesh. And in last, the major reason behind the war of 1999, then it was invasion of Kargil. From here, we can conclude that we had fought this old war with Pakistan, And then if we talk about any other war which we have fought. Then this was the war of 1962. That was the war of 1962. We had fought this war with China. After independence till 1962, our political leaders used to think that Hindi Chinese are bhai bhai, and after this ideology in 1962, Dalai Lama came in India in 1960 after the invasion of Tibet by China, and it became the biggest factor behind the war between two good friends, India and China, in 1962. And let's talk about non-traditional notion of security. As we have discussed earlier, that the biggest factor of non-traditional security is terrorism. At first, we must know about that what is terrorism. Does anyone know? Terrorism refers to the brutal violence, which stands for political brutal violence of civilians. Means terrorism refers to spread of terror in civilians. Let's take some example of terrorism and terrorist attacks all over the world. The first example will be of 9/11. Jaish-e-Mohammed's leaders Osama bin Laden carried a brutal terrorist attack in America in 11th of September in 2001, and he attacked by two aeroplanes in Twin Towers. Means World Trade Center. And the next example will be of 26/11. It was the attack which was carried by ISI, Interstate Intelligence of Pakistan, in Mumbai, and the most wanted terrorist of that attack was Ajmal Kasab. Ajmal Kasab and his team carried out brutal violence of civilians in Mumbai, in several places like in Taj Hotel, in a cafe of Mumbai, and in Oberoi Hotel as well. And then the attack on Parliament. In the same year, on 13th of December, in the same year when 26/11 attacks were carried out in Mumbai, the same attack was carried out by the Jaish-e-Mohammed in 2001 on 13th of December in Delhi, and they attacked on Parliament. Their major intention was to carry a bomb attack in our parliament and to make host of our political leaders. But fortunately, their intention couldn't fulfill. And then, if we talk about present scenario, about the security concerns of India, then the major point which will come of scenario of Bangladesh. Just before 2 or 3 days, Prime Minister of Bangladesh Prime Minister of Bangladesh Sheikh Hasina has resigned, and now our neighboring country is in the hand of terrorists as well and common people as well as protesters. They have invaded the whole capital, means Dhaka, of Bangladesh, and Muhammad Yunus has become new supreme leader. Muhammad Yunus has become new supreme leader of Bangladesh till new elections will carried out. And if we talk about the security concerns of India in the respect of Bangladesh, then the effect of Bangladesh crisis will also affect badly in India, and around 1.5 CR Hindus going to take shelter in India. 1.5 crore Hindus is going to take shelter in India. This is all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.